Hello and welcome to this video, 5 easy ways to make money for beginners. So if you're a full-time, if you're doing full-time job, or you're just in university and you want to earn money in a quick way, earn a few bits of cash for savings or whatever particular reason, here's 5 easy ways in which you can do that. And this is for beginners, so all of these 5 methods that I will be listing require little to no experience, or in some cases like no experience at all. So the first one is online surveys. Probably, in my opinion, the easiest in this list. They are a popular way to make money online. Companies are willing to pay for feedback from consumers to help improve their products and services. To get started with online surveys, you can sign up to survey sites such as Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, or Vindel Research. Once you sign up, you receive survey invitations via email or on the site's dashboard. Each survey will typically last 5 to 20 minutes to complete, and you will earn points or cash for each completed survey. So this is a easy method to earn money. It's important to realize that it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. The money that you earn from these online surveys are pretty small. For example, on Swagbucks, you can earn up to $5 per survey, while on Survey Junkie, you can earn up to $3 per survey. So they're not like massive amounts of money, they are small pockets of money. And if you do them consistently, you can earn anywhere from $50 to $200 per month. So a good amount of money, obviously nothing like massive or major, but it is important to realize that online surveys, they are very easy to do, and they also require no experience. So I think for the reward that you're getting for doing them, and the fact that there's literally no risk at all, I do think it is worth it. So second of all, after online surveys, we have freelancing. Freelancing involves you're offering your services to clients. Freelancing involves offering your services to clients on a project-to-project basis. These types of services you can offer as a freelancer are almost limitless. So there's almost no limit to what you can offer as a freelancer. This can include stuff like writing, graphic design, web development, social media management, and more. To get started with freelancing, you can sign up for platforms such as Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. Once you sign up, you can create a profile that showcases your skills and experience. So it is important to realize that with freelancing, unlike online surveys, which requires literally no experience at all, freelancing requires a lot more skills and experience. And the more skills and experience that you do have, the more money you are likely to earn. Freelancers can earn anywhere from $10 to $100 per hour, depending on their skills and experience. And if you work as a full-time freelancer, you could potentially earn $1,000 to $5,000 per month or more. So, yeah, definitely something to consider there, especially full-time as well, because the money that you're earning as a freelancer is quite substantial, and it's definitely something to consider. When setting your rates as a freelancer, it's important to consider your experience, the market rate for your services, and also your own personal skills. You may need to start with lower rates to build your platform and reputation, but as you gain more experience and more positive feedback from your clients, you can increase your rates. So it is important to understand your skills and abilities, and as a freelancer, to consider this when offering your services. So after freelancing, we now have affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for each sale that is made through your unique affiliate link. To get started with affiliate marketing, you can sign up for affiliate programs on sites such as Amazon Associates, Client Bank, or Share a Sale. Once you sign up, you'll be able to choose products to promote and receive a unique affiliate link to share. For example, if you promote a product on Amazon that has a commission rate of 5%, if it sells for $50, you will earn $2.5 per sale. If you make 100 sales a month, you can earn up to $250 per month. However, some affiliate programs offer much higher commission rates, such as 50% or more, which can significantly increase your earning potential. So this is something to consider when going to affiliate marketing, how much are they offering me in commission? And if they're offering up to 50% or more, then you kind of hit the jackpot there. Again, you're earning like a lot of money just from affiliate marketing. So it is something to consider. To be successful in affiliate marketing, it is important to choose products that are relevant to your audience and to promote them in a way that is genuine and adds value to your audience. And this can include writing product reviews, creating tutorials, or sharing your personal experience with the product. So by doing these things, you can promote your product and increase the popularity of your product, and by doing that, earning more money. So after that, we now have online tutoring. So online tutoring involves teaching students in a virtual setting. It's basically tutoring except in an online setting, which is, let's be honest, far easier than tutoring just regular tutoring basically, because with online tutoring, you can do it through the comfort of your own home, and the tutoring that you can do is almost limitless. Whatever you can practically do for any subject you can think of, maths, science, English, history, geography, all of this stuff with online tutoring, you can do them. It is important to note that stuff like maths and English are obviously going to be the most popular subjects when it comes to online tutoring, and especially in my opinion, if you are a university student, online tutoring can be a great way in which you can earn lots of money and cash very quickly. For example, one of my cousins, he did tutoring, and he actually earned quite a substantial amount of money through doing that tutoring. So it is important to consider, and if you do it, and I know from people that I know that do it, they've earned quite a lot of money, and these people, they are in university as well, so it's a great way to gain money while also studying at the same time. To get started with online tutoring, you can go on platforms such as Chegg, Tutor.com, or VIPKid. Once you sign up, you will be able to create a platform that showcases your skills and experience. Students will be able to find your profile and book sessions with you. According to Chegg's website, tutors on their platform can earn up to $1,000 per month. On Tutor.com, tutors can earn anywhere from $10 to $14 per hour. If you work full-time as an online tutor, you can probably potentially earn $1,000 to $2,000 per month or more. So it's important and it is also important to consider your experience as well as an online tutor. For example, I would choose a subject that I'm personally good at rather than entering something that I have very little experience with. So this is something to consider. It's also important to consider your skills as well, what you're offering, because if, for example, you're offering if you're a very good tutor that that students that work with you often are getting high grades, then you're often going to become very popular with students, and you're often probably going to get more students to tutor as a result, and thus more money. And finally, we have selling on Etsy. So if you don't know what Etsy is a popular marketplace for handmade and vintage items. If you have a talent for creating unique and in-demand products, you can sell them on Etsy to earn money. To get started with selling on Etsy, you will need to create an account and set up a shop. You can list your products for sale and promote them through social media and other platform channels. According to Etsy's website, the average seller on their platform earns $2,500 per year. However, top sellers can earn much more than that. For example, the top seller on Etsy in 2020 earned over $5 million in sales. So, you can earn like a ridiculous amount of money, and I'm talking, enough money to retire your parents. Selling on Etsy, can be a massive way to earn money, and it is a massive get rich quick scheme if you're looking to do it. However, it is important to realize that becoming a top seller on Etsy does require full-time access to it. You need to not full-time access, but you need to be full-time in selling items on Etsy if you want to earn that type of money. Of course, if you have a full-time job or if you are a student and you just want to earn some quick cash, then you're probably looking at that, 2,500 to potentially like 4,000 maybe dollars per year. But if you're looking, if you're going full-time and you're going for it and you're really pushing, you can earn even more substantial amounts of money. I'm talking tens of thousands to the millions, depending on how skilled you are when doing it. When pricing your products on SD, it's important to consider the cost of materials, the time it takes to create the product, and the market demand for similar products. You may need to experiment with different pricing strategies to find the sweet spot that maximizes your profits while being competitive in the marketplace. The difference between selling on SD, this fifth example, and something like the first example with online surveys, is that online surveys require no skill. They're relatively easy to do. However, selling on SD, of course, this requires a lot of skill, especially if you're going for the top prices. Of course, if you're looking to just earn a small amount of cash, this requires significantly less amount of skills. But if you're looking to make enough money where this selling on SD can become a full-time career, you have to put in that time, you have to put in that effort. So that was 5 ways in which you can earn money through easy methods. Again, I say easy, however, some of these methods do require a lot of skill and do require a lot of patience, skill, and commitment. So it is important to consider that, and do not just enter these markets blindly, and don't expect that you're gonna get rich off this stuff. When you are and when you're doing these methods, when you're doing these money methods, it is important to realize that it all comes down to you. It all comes down to how you present yourself, how you manage your time, how you manage your products, how you manage your services. By doing this, you will be able to earn more money and hopefully become more successful as a result. So hopefully this video was beneficial. If you enjoyed it, then don't forget to let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video with everyone you know. So thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you next time. Goodbye.